The pure story of our love. In the tapestry of life, our love is a thread, woven with care, with passion, with dreams. Who would have thought our story would unfold in the way so unexpected, so profound, so real? From the first glance, the first touch, to the moments that took our breath away, we built a love that defied the odds. A love that stood the test of time. Through the storms and the sunshine, through the laughter and the tears, we held on to each other, believing in the power of us. Our love is a journey, a beautiful tale, written with the ink of our hearts. Every chapter a testament to our bond, every page a reflection of our souls. Who would have thought we'd come this far, that our love would grow so deep, so strong? In the quiet moments, I marvel at our story, a story of two hearts beating as one. So here we are against all expectations, living a love that's pure, that's true, a love that inspires, that endures, a love that is pure through and through.